Okay, so we managed to sell the car. Guy came around at the weekend. Made me a good offer. He was a really nice guy. He newly needed the car. He was travelling long distances in hire cars all the time. He was just looking for a cheap car to eat up some motor miles. So I think he made a good choice. It's a very comfortable car, automatic gearbox. It feels like it's got loads of life left in it. He was really chuffed with it. I probably should have played hardball with him because he loved it from the moment he drove it. But he bargained me down a bit. Got 875 for the car. A small profit. It's not. I'm looking to just get cars back on the road and have some fun filming them. It's not really about the money. Plus, I got the watch. I'll give you some updates on the watch soon. So, in fact, I still made a small profit on the car and got a very expensive watch that's worth way more than the car. I can't really complain, and it was out, as you might have seen in the background of some of my videos. I have got a new project. Just sneaking in here. It's a Kia Soul. That's on the drive. I've got two other cars. I had no room for the Vauxhall, so it really did need to go. The couple of eBay auctions finished cost me a few quid and hadn't sold at the higher prices, so this guy came along with cash, and I was happy to take it. And he sent me a message saying thank you for the great car. So he was really pleased with it. So, shall we look at what it cost me? So let's go through the costs. Okay, so going through my costs, the winning bid on the car from Copart was £375. The buyer's fees were 57. Internet buying fee rather than bidding on site, which no one does, £7.50. VAT £15.9. Delivery was £44.07. VAT on the delivery £5.81. Front wing was £30. Fog light was £30. Both headlights were faulty. They were a bit grotty and needed reinvigorating, if you like, but or reconditioning. But they were a bargain. £1 for a bulb. Oil was 20. Filter 5. Gasket was 10. MOT was 45. Wing mirror was £12.99. Luggage cover 20. £20 worth of eBay listings which didn't sell, so that was a waste of time. Giving me a total of £739.27. Car sold for £875. So that is a profit of £135.73, which isn't a lot, but as I said, question mark on the watch. I'm hoping to get about £1,000 for the watch. So not really a big deal about not making a lot of money, but it shows you it was a cheap car and it'll do someone a good job. It got it back on the road and I'm well chuffed with it. It was the first one I've sold. I'm well pleased. In terms of if I do anything differently, the fog cost me a bit more. I ended up buying two because I bought a wrong one. Didn't realise in 06, I think it was, the bumper style changed and although the fog lights were the same, the mounting brackets were different. I wouldn't have sold on eBay, so I'd have saved 20 quid. That's about it really. I didn't do a lot wrong on this one.